What if I told you that 99% of people watching this video will never build real wealth? Not because they can't, but because they make the same 5 critical mistakes. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates the wealthy from everyone else. What's up, Wealth Maxing TV family? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck while watching friends blow money on things that keep them poor, this video is for you. I'm breaking down why most people never escape the rat race and how you can be different. The biggest lie society tells you is that a high salary makes you rich. I know people making 80K who are broke and others making 40K building serious wealth. Why? Because wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep and invest. Your friend with the BMW lease, latest iPhone, and $200 sneakers, they're trapped in the lifestyle inflation trap. Every raise gets swallowed by bigger apartments and fancier clothes. The 1% understand, wealth is built through assets, not income. Time is your biggest wealth-building advantage in your 20s, and most people waste it. Starting at 22 versus 32 is the difference between retiring a millionaire or working until 70. Invest $200 monthly starting at 22, you'll have $1.3 million by 65. Wait until 32, only $566K. Starting 10 years later costs you $800,000. But most people say, I'll start when I make more money, while spending $150 on forgotten subscriptions and $300 on weekend activities. The stock market is too risky, they say, while their money sits earning 0.5% interest, getting destroyed by inflation. The real risk isn't investing, it's not investing. Over 100 years, the S&P 500 averaged 10% annual returns. The wealthy don't time the market, they consistently invest in low-cost index funds and let compound interest work its magic. School taught calculus, but not compound interest. Shakespeare, but not credit cards. This isn't an accident. The system benefits from financially illiterate consumers. The 1% educate themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, and understand tax-advantaged accounts and dollar-cost averaging. They invest in financial education first because managing money is the highest-paying skill you can develop. The biggest difference? Systems. Most people handle money emotionally, spending when happy, splurging when stressed. The 1% automate everything. They pay themselves first, automatically invest every paycheck, and remove emotion from decisions. Here's your homework. Pick one point and take action this week. Set up automatic investing, even $25 monthly. Open a high-yield savings account. Read one finance book. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which point hit hard. Remember, you're not stuck with your current situation. Will you take action or be part of the 99% who just watches? I'll see you in the next video. Keep wealth maxing.